Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a mockup in Photoshop to showcase your designs effectively. To begin, open your mockup file in Photoshop. Mockups are pre-designed templates that allow you to easily display your designs in a realistic setting. First, familiarize yourself with the Layers panel. Mockups often contain smart objects that you can double-click to edit. These smart objects serve as placeholders for your designs. Next, replace the placeholder content with your own design. And save your changes. You can resize and reposition your design within the mockup to ensure it fits perfectly. Use the transform tools in Photoshop to make adjustments as needed. Experiment with different colors or textures in the mockup to see how your design looks in various styles. You can easily change the color of elements or adjust textures to suit your preferences. Once you are satisfied with your design placement and adjustments, save your final mockup file. You can then use this mockup to present your design to clients or showcase it in your portfolio. And there you have it. Using mockups in Photoshop is a powerful way to visualize your designs in a professional and realistic manner. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel more. See you in the next video. Stay creative.